Hope you have your CBS 42 mobile news app so you can stay weather aware today.
Yeah, we got our chief meteorologist Ashley Gann here tracking some potential for severe weather.
Yeah, a lot of active weather we're going to be talking about tonight. After such a beautiful day today, we're in for an active night of storms. We want to make sure that everyone has a good way to get those weather alerts overnight tonight and make sure that you stay weather aware through Saturday morning. This is a look at the sky right now in Gadsden. A beautiful sky. We are seeing those fair weather cumulus clouds. Temperatures right now quite nice, sitting pleasantly at 80 degrees. Winds out of the south, southwest right now. We've got upper 70s and low 80s. And this warm air is one of those ingredients that's priming the atmosphere for what's to come overnight tonight. Looking in the maps right now, that warm front has successfully lifted to our north as it's going to provide plenty of wet weather towards Kentucky and now making its way into the Ohio Valley. It's the cold front back to our west that's going to be problematic for us overnight tonight. This continues to move through Arkansas and Louisiana, and for tonight and into tomorrow, we are going to see our chances of rain and storms going up closer to midnight tonight, and through the start of your Saturday, you can really see those rain chances increasing. Remember, the percentage of rain refers to the amount of people we think will be impacted. It's not a pinpoint location, but at some point between 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., everyone gets some rain and storm. So tonight, partly cloudy. We'll see temperatures in the 70s and 80s. It's going to be a nice night, but we really need to hunker down tonight. Here's why. Some new model information has actually just expanded our enhanced risk now to include a bit more of northwest Alabama. That does include Huntsville, Coleman, Jasper, Fayette, northwest Tuscaloosa County, and clipping the northern edge of Hale County. So an enhanced risk, this area shaded in orange, 3 out of 5. Strong winds are going to be a really big concern, upwards of 70 miles per hour. And that's also where I think we'll see our best chance of seeing tornadoes. That doesn't mean the threat just disappears as we slide east. It's just that the ingredients will not be as aligned, but we can always have those storms that overachieve as they move east. So let's go ahead and talk timeline and where my biggest concerns are. 11 o'clock tonight, we're going to see some very, very nasty thunderstorms moving into northwest Alabama from Hamilton to Sulligent, right along Interstate 22. I am a bit concerned with these storms as well. By midnight, from Jasper, Addison, Arley, north of Coleman, up through Huntsville, those storms will be sliding due east. By 1 a.m., we're looking at Aniana, Warrior, anywhere from Jasper to Fayette, back into Carrollton, Highway 82, and then by 2 a.m., Tuscaloosa, pretty much along this I-20-59 corridor, moving into the Birmingham Metro through Hoover, Vestavia, Alabaster, over to Chelsea between 3 and 4 a.m. By 4 o'clock in East Alabama, we'll already see those skies clearing out to our west. By 6 o'clock, the threat is over entirely, and Saturday we will resume to sunshine. So a weather aware will be in place tonight through early tomorrow. Again, pretty much all modes of severe weather except flooding, rain, and except hail are possible, including tornadoes, gusty winds, and I want to show you our wind gust futurecast tonight. So by 7 o'clock, winds will be picking up to the west, but these gusts could get upwards of 30 to 50 miles per hour at around midnight. Coleman, futurecast showing 50-mile-per-hour gusts right at the stroke of midnight. The winds will continue into East Alabama by 4 a.m. Finally, things will subside a bit by the time we hit daybreak tomorrow. Wind shear and rotation, this is where we could see some of those tornadoes. Those streaks of orange and brighter yellow just means that there's some dynamics in play in the atmosphere that could produce some of these tornadoes. So the brighter yellows there at 1 a.m. Coleman, Birmingham, Alabaster, over towards Gadsden. Now tomorrow will be sunny and breezy, but we are expecting more scattered showers and storms Sunday night into Monday. Some of these could produce locally heavy amounts of rain and even some hail. We'll quiet down just a little bit and cool off by midweek. And that's a look at your storm team 7-day forecast.
All right.